Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming our keynote speaker for the day, Greg Williams.
How many of you here today plan on going places? By a show of hands. All right. How many of you have signed up for the speed networking event? Because that's definitely a place to go. Well, let me tell you, there are a lot of times that a lot of people feel as though they don't want to do things that will make them appear to be foolish. But I don't care. I wake up in the morning thinking to myself, how can I be foolish today? That allows you to grow. You get outside of your comfort level. If you get outside of your comfort level, you start to expand your mind. If you start to expand your mind, you then know what it is that you can achieve. Napoleon Hill said, what the mind can conceive and believe, the body can achieve. If you feel what I'm saying, let me hear you say, oh yeah! All right. Just so I know that I am in the right place today, can everyone that came here to make sure they made at least $1 million contact, not contract, contact. I'm keeping you corporate guys safe, okay? Just so you came here to make at least $1 million contact. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Now look around you for a moment. Some people did not raise their hands. Why, do you ask, did they not raise their hands? There are different networking styles. Some people are shy, bashful, feel as though they may do or say something that's silly, and thus they do not want to appear to be out of sorts. But since this is a networking event, what I'd like all of you to do right now that did raise your hands is to get up, get over, bend over to someone that did not raise their hand, say, hello, I would like to make you my $1 million contact. Go ahead, this is participatory, okay? Go ahead, do it, seriously, do it. There are times when opportunities will be all around you, but you may not see them. Why is that? Because you don't know what the opportunity looks like. Some of you are currently sitting on moments of opportunities right now. Now this is PG rated, so don't take it anywhere it shouldn't. But let me say it again. Some of you are currently sitting on moments of opportunities. There are moments of opportunity all around you all the time. All you have to do is recognize them. Later on this afternoon, those of you that are attending the speed networking event will actually have more moments of opportunities. You're going to be introduced to concepts that may seem strange to you, foreign to you. But throughout the next 2 days, I'm going to ask that you take your minds into the land of imagination. Release your inhibitions. Fear not. If you are afraid of misspeaking, so be it. For the next 2 days, it doesn't count. If you're bashful, for the next 2 days, it doesn't count. I'm really bashful, can't you tell? For the next few days, you're going to play a role. And that role will be that of a dynamic individual that has come out to network with people. So over the next few days, as you play this dynamic role that has been put before you, as I said, lose all of your inhibitions. It makes no difference where you are today. It's where your mind wishes to take you in the future. You feel what I'm saying? Let me hear you say. All right. So, if you project yourself into where it is that you want to be, you will be there. It's that simple. Throughout this speed networking event that most of you are going to attend, you will have the opportunity to make those $1 million contacts, not contracts. Shift the paradigm.
Greg, I thought, was very good, entertaining, insightful. Greg was very imaginative.
Greg Williams? Oh, we loved him.
Good response. Good interview. Creative.
That was very inspiring.
I thought it was very dynamic,
Wonderful, very motivating.
Certainly kept the room alive.
very interesting.
I thought he was great.
Really charged up.
An extremely motivational speaker.
Very invigorating.
Oh, I thought he was great.
Enthusiastic.
I think he did a good job.
Very unique in his presentation skills.
Great job.
Enthusiasm. Very inspiring.
Charisma.
Greg brought a lot of energy to the luncheon and very good
Your yellow K5.